There's a company that was once worth $1.5 billion. Microsoft invested in it. The World Bank invested in it. Its big selling point was a revolutionary AI named Natasha. So smart it could build you a custom app all by itself. No coding, no engineers. Just ask Natasha. As easy as ordering a pizza. There was one small problem with Natasha. She wasn't real. Behind the curtain, there was no genius AI. There were around 700 human engineers, mostly in India, frantically typing code by hand, while the company told the world a robot was doing it. This is the story of Builder AI, how it convinced the smartest money on earth that humans were a machine. The man behind it was Sachin Dev Dugal. He didn't like the title CEO. He preferred, and I'm not making this up, Chief Wizard. Remember that word, because this whole story is basically the Wizard of Oz. A big, booming, magical voice promising miracles, and a regular guy behind a curtain, hoping nobody looks too closely. The pitch was brilliant. Everybody wants an app, but building one is expensive. So Builder AI said, forget hiring developers. Our AI breaks your app into Lego-style blocks and assembles it automatically. Fast, cheap, no skills required. It was perfect for the moment, the era when slapping AI on a pitch deck made investors come running. And run they did. Builder AI raised over $450 million. The valuation hit $1.5 billion, and the backers weren't amateurs. Microsoft, the World Bank's investment arm, Qatar's sovereign fund, a Hollywood mogul. Some of the most sophisticated investors alive. Every one of them looked at Natasha and saw the future. So how did nobody notice for years that the AI was just people? Somebody did. Back in 2019, the Wall Street Journal reported that this AI company didn't seem to use much AI. It used a lot of human engineers. The warning was right there in black and white. And what happened? Nothing. The money kept flowing. Because when everyone desperately wants something to be true, one inconvenient article is very easy to ignore. Here's how the trick worked. When a customer asked Natasha to build an app, the request didn't go to a super intelligent machine. It went to people. Hundreds of engineers coding around the clock to make it look instant and automatic. In tech, there's a name for this. A Wizard of Oz system, where a human secretly does the work marketed as automated. It's meant to be temporary. Fake it now, build the real AI later, swap the humans out. But Builder AI got stuck in the fake it stage. For years. The humans never got swapped out. They just kept typing. And the money may have been fake too. To keep raising cash, the company claimed around $220 million in revenue one year. Then someone checked the books. An independent audit reportedly found the real number was closer to $50 million. They'd allegedly overstated sales by about 300%. How do you make $50 million look like 220? Investigators looked at a practice called round tripping. Imagine you and a friend each have $10. You buy something from your friend for 10. Your friend buys something from you for 10. No real business happened, but now you both claim $10 in sales. You manufactured revenue out of thin air. Bloomberg reported Builder AI and an Indian company called Verse were accused of billing each other in a way that inflated both companies' apparent income. Stack it all up. An AI that was humans, revenue allegedly inflated 300%, and a company that hadn't even had a chief financial officer since 2023. A tower built on smoke. And towers built on smoke come down fast. By late 2024, the warning lights were flashing. Forecasts slashed. Debt over $100 million. In early 2025, the chief wizard stepped down. An emergency rescue round failed. Then a creditor seized around $37 million straight out of the company's accounts. That was it. Builder AI declared insolvency. The unicorn was dead. And then came the subpoenas. Just days before the collapse, federal prosecutors in Manhattan had demanded Builder AI's financial records. The founder was named in a money laundering probe. So how did the smartest investors on earth get fooled by a company whose technology was a room full of people? The answer is hype. When a story perfectly matches what everyone wants to believe, people stop checking. The world wanted the AI revolution, and Builder AI handed them the dream. The 700 engineers were real. Their code was real. The only fake thing was the wizard out front, booming into a microphone, telling the world none of them were there. So next time someone sells you a miracle, remember Natasha, and peek behind the curtain. You might be surprised who's doing the typing.